Hi, I'm RJ Baxter with Fairway Independent Mortgage with your weekly market update. This week I want to talk about the Federal Reserve meeting that happened this week and the Fed policy statement that came out on Wednesday. Fed Chairman Powell said one thing in particular that I wanted to comment on that's very, very important for mortgage rates and for housing. He said that the Fed is going to keep rates very, very low through 2023 and maybe longer. So what does this mean specifically for mortgage rates? Mortgage rates are not directly tied to the rate that the Fed influences and the rate that the Fed is able to manipulate. The rate that Fed Chairman Powell is talking about is the overnight bank lending rate that banks use to lend money to each other in the very, very short term. Now, mortgage rates, they're tied to more long-term investments, and sometimes when the Fed keeps rates down, that doesn't necessarily mean that mortgage rates stay down. So this is something important to understand as we head into the next couple of years, is that this doesn't mean that mortgage rates are going to necessarily stay low through 2023. Sometimes we see a loose correlation between what the Fed does and what mortgage rates do, but it's not always the case. So this is something important to keep in mind with rates at historically low levels if you're looking to buy or refinance, that we may not have these rates through 2023. And the media, they might be reporting that mortgage rates are going to stay low through 2023 and maybe longer. And I do feel rates are going to be low, but are they going to be as low as they are right now? Maybe not. They could go up a little bit. I mean, historically, before the last year or so, the lowest I'd ever seen is in the mid to low 3%. And now we're, of course, down below that in a lot of scenarios. So, mortgage rates could creep up a little more into those 3% ranges, or who knows what. I mean, no one has a crystal ball, but the point of my message today is that the Fed announcing they're going to keep rates low through 2023 does not mean that mortgage rates are going to stay where they are for the next 3 years. So give me a call if you have any questions on that or anything loan related. If I can answer any questions for you, that's why I'm here. And I appreciate you guys watching. Have a great rest of your day.